Hi guys, welcome to Chef Mooney coming to you from Mooney's Kitchen. Today I'm not going to cook, but I am going to have a little bit of fun with my channel. Now, very soon I'm going to be hitting 25,000 subscribers. I know this thanks to you guys out there. I'm putting this out onto YouTube. I have done a social media and some of you have given me your suggestions. So here's the deal. I want you to suggest a recipe for me to cook. And I'll put all the suggestions into a barrel, I'll pick a winner, and that winner will be showcased on my YouTube channel. It's going to be a little bit of fun. It'll be really interesting to see some of your ideas that come through. Keep it simple with a couple of ingredients so that everybody can make it if they choose to. And if you're the winner, you'll be showcased on my channel. Thanks guys. If you want to get involved, please do so. I will see you on my next video. Take care.